Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Bhaumik Upadhyay. In today's video, we are going to start the new series lecture on product management. Now, product management is a very important vertical of any business, and thus we are going to understand, learn about it in a very detailed manner. So, in today's video, I am going to tell about what is product management, what is the role of a product manager, what is the responsibilities of a product manager, and what kind of work life that you can extrapolate in product management. Basically, product management is a skill in which a person is utilizes the knowledge of a product and different kinds of management skills to create a product vision and successfully launch product into market. And to do the product management, product manager is required. The product manager is at an intersection of three major verticals in a business. One is core business, technology, and a user experience. So it will sit into intersection of these three main verticals. The person who is appointed for product management works with a core business like introducing to product, then strategy, then development, etc. Also, he or she needs to work with a technical team, means technology. What kind of technology we will implement into a product to maximize the output of that product. And the third one is user experience. User experience means mapping the user journey well. And if you create some kind of a success metrics for user, and if you will achieve into that product, you are going to win the market. And that is the main responsibility of product manager. So as I want to become a product manager or a business analyst, I must have skills to work with these three main verticals of any organization. Now, the role of, when it comes to a role of product manager basically study the market, study their customer needs, study the customer behavior over the time, and that is called as a market analysis. He document every type of requirements, he gather requirements, and before starting, he will work on that requirement bifurcation. And thus, the first role of any product manager is to analyze the entire market. Second thing is to vision for the product, means writing what kind of features we required, what kind of structure we required into the product, and this type of analysis is being done by any product manager, and that is called as a vision of product. The third thing is he will work with external as well as internal stakeholders. He will be continuously monitor the requirements from every type of stakeholders, and if he or she wants to fulfill the requirement, then he will basically work on that kind of decisions. So that is the kind of a role that a product manager works on. The third thing which I want to tell you about is responsibilities that a product manager in an organization have. The first and very most important responsibility is He has to talk with as many stakeholders as he can. He has to talk for requirements, for what kind of a product we want to build, what market we want to cater, what is the vision of any CEOs, any stakeholders, and he must document it well to understand so that everyone can understand it well. The next thing is he understands what kind of a technology we are going to use, and thus he must work with a technical team, he must work with engineering team and entirely analyze the structure of any kind of a product, whether it's digital, whether it's physical. Both requires high level analysis from engineering side, their assumptions, their restriction, their success, failures, testing, validation, etc. And this is the main work of any product manager has to do in a very well manner. The third thing is how organization decide for particular product to go into market. What kind of decision levels that any organization has. Even if a very small decision can hamper entire product, and thus as a product manager I must have a skill for a decision making process. I must talk with any experienced person so to learn about how to decide to roll out this feature. And this is the main important skill of any product manager, to have a decision strategy for a product, go to market strategy for the product, then maintaining entire product life cycle for the product. This is the main responsibilities of product manager. The third is he has to develop a very thick skin. Means if some decisions are not taken properly, or if you want to deny that decision against any particular stakeholder, then he must have a clue, reason well, and ideas for declining that decision, declining that requirement to the stakeholder, and thus it might make the stakeholder unhappy. But at the end of the day, he must be able to communicate well to that stakeholder and convince him to declination of that decision or requirement. And these all are the responsibilities of any product manager. Work life in the product management is very important. You will be on a center point of any product, means you will be the CEO of the product. As per your decision, the engineering team, the user experience team will work, and thus the most important idea of being a product manager is to manage every small feature of any product, but also give a chance to a product to the engineering team, to all team, business team, engineering team, user experience team, to have a wonderful decision on their own self. And on the topmost level, you will sit and roll out the features, roll out their decisions well into the market, and gather the requirements, feedbacks from the customer, so to improve the product in a particular manner. And that is the main important work life of any product manager. Hope you will understood it well. In the next video session, we are going to learn about product life cycle in a very detailed manner. I will explain you with example, and you will learn what is product management, Well, thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel Bhaumik Upadhyay, and I will see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.